It's a 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. Whether you're downtown or off-road, this truck provides torque and efficiency no other mid-size pickup can match. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: V6 engine, auto-track 4-wheel drive, tow haul mode, active grille shutters, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay, manual tilting steering column, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports it has the size, the features, and the looks necessary to become the dominant truck in the compact class. Just don't mistake it for a midsize. Chevy, 100 years of icons. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.